Oh, okay, and in this video I'm going to be taking a look at the OnePlus 8T. Decided to pick this one up. This is the Lunar Silver one. So we're just going to be unboxing it and just going to take a look at it, first impressions video and stuff. Before I open it up, I just want to give a quick backstory because I was deciding between this phone and the Pixel 5. But in the end, this phone is better value for what I want. Everyone's circumstances are different. So with this phone, with the 8 gig and 128 gig model, this one is £50 cheaper than the Pixel. But for the £50 less money that you're spending on it, you get a bigger screen, 120 hertz display, you get a better chip in there. The Pixel has the 765G processor, and the OnePlus has the 865 Snapdragon processor. Both have Android 11. Both are going to get updates. Obviously, the Pixel is going to have the better camera, but in everything else, this phone it's just better value for money. And the main difference between the two phones is the camera, and I'm not really buying this phone for the camera, so it's just better value for me. Obviously, you may just love Pixel and you may want to pick that up, but that's the reason why I picked this up over the Pixel. But enough of me rambling, let's just unbox it and see what you get inside. So we've got a little tab at the top. Let's see if we could. Oh, there we go. So we just open this up. Ooh. So fun opening up new stuff. Put it to one side. The box itself is pretty nice. It's a tall box compared to the other boxes. It's really tall. So let's open this up and see what is inside. Wiggle, wiggle. Alright. There we go. I love the box. The red box is pretty nice. The packaging OnePlus are always pretty good. So at the top here you got some documentations, invitational letter, so I'm probably not going to open. So you got your SIM removal tool here, and I'll be showing you how to put the SIM card in as well. Invitational letter, if you want to read it, you can just rip that open, but honestly I'm not. Quick start guide, tells you about the phone and how to use it and all that crap, and some more information if you're interested in it. So just underneath we have the phone itself. Ooh, it looks pretty nice. Let's put this to one side for a second. Let's see what else you get. Case. I was hoping to get a case in there because I haven't bought a case yet. Overall case seems pretty good. It's just a a clear TPU case, cutouts, and then the writing on there that says never settle. I'll be taking a look at that later on in the video. Then we got the cable. This is USB-C to USB-C. We'll focus in. There you go. So that's pretty nice. And then you got the UK power brick, which is actually pretty big. And this will support other devices as well, and it will fast charge other devices as well, I believe. And I believe this has the 65-watt charging as well, so it should charge your phone pretty quick. I'll be doing a test on that as well. Alright, let's put all of this stuff back up. And let's take a look at the phone itself. Alright, so now we've got the phone. It's in this nice plastic. You know, you got the fingerprint scanner under the screen. We did go for the Lunar Silver, so let's open this up. Wow, feels pretty nice. You got the camera cutout here in the top left. Let's take a look here. You got, I believe this is to mute notifications. You got the lock and power button here, and on this side you got the volume rocker. At top you got a microphone, and at the bottom you have your SIM card here, and your USB-C port and a speaker there as well. On the back you got the camera there. You got 4 cameras. You got 2 flashes as well, and you can see the color of it. It looks pretty nice. This phone feels really premium. It feels like a really premium phone, very high end. The quality of it is very nice, and I actually do like the silver. I think it's pretty nice as well. So let's boot this up and see if there's any juice in there. There you go. So to run off a few specs, the phone while it's booting up, it's got the Snapdragon 685 chipset. It's obviously got 5G. Almost all the new phones that are coming out is going to have 5G. It's got the Adreno 650. It's got 8 gigabytes of RAM and 128 gigs of storage. It's got 4,500 milliamp hour batteries. It's got 2 batteries that charge simultaneously. I'm sure there's other videos in there showing you the inner works and how it works and all that kind of stuff. It's also got warp charge, like I mentioned below. It's got 65 warp charge, which charges it pretty quick. While it's here, let me see if I could pick UK and then start. Agree. I do not have a SIM card in there. Quickly going over the camera. It's got the Sony 48 megapixel camera. I'm not sure how good it is. We just have to test out and see. I do some video tests and stuff on my channel, so if you want to see that, be sure to check it out. Those are the main features of the phone. Everything else it pretty much has. It's a pretty good phone. One thing it doesn't have an IP rating, and it doesn't have wireless charging. But again, this is not the Pro model, it's the T model, so yeah, let's skip this. Let me connect to the Wi-Fi and I'll be right back. Okay, so I've just gone through the setup and I've got the phone started up now, so I'm just going to show you that. First impressions, I've just been swiping through the phone and wow, is it fast. It is. I've got my Note 10 Plus. It is faster than that, without a doubt. It's probably one of the fastest Android phones I've ever used. It's just so snappy. It's like everything's just super responsive, and the screen itself looks pretty good. Straight off the bat, I do have an update, so there is an update, probably some bug fixes, so I'm probably going to do that when I finish doing this little video. You can see the notification tray here. We could jump into settings. I could show you that. So you got all of these settings here. It just shows you the layout and stuff like that. Let's quickly take a look at the camera. Deny. Let's take a look at the camera. Camera looks pretty clean from what I could see. Obviously you're not going to be able to see it properly, but I will be posting some pictures and probably a video camera test later on this week or something like that, showing you what the camera quality is actually like. First impressions, it doesn't look too bad. The phone itself, it feels pretty snappy. Let's load up Amazon. Let's focus in a bit. Loads up pretty quickly. Let's load this up. It's just fast. It's really fast. I'm actually surprised at how fast this phone is. This is probably my third OnePlus phone I've had. It's been a while since I've owned one, and I do miss it. Overall, the design and everything just looks sleek. It feels like a premium phone, and it's got good specs as well. Battery life should be good as well. Okay, this is just a quick follow-up to the case that you get with the phone. Pretty simple, clear case. I'm just going to show you how it looks with it on. I'm probably going to be rocking it until I can find a proper case. But you can see you got the Never Settle logo right there, and you got a little barcode here. This can be peeled off. Fits the cutouts pretty good. It does have a little lip on there, so you can like have it flat down, move it around, and you don't have to worry about scratching the screen. You do have a cutout for the buttons here. Here you have buttons here, which is, it comes out slightly, so it's easy to identify and press. your little card for the microphone at top and the microphone at the bottom, and the speakers. Overall, it's a pretty decent case. Nothing special, but if you want something else, I believe they do have other cases and designs on the website you could go and check out. But yeah, this is just a quick look at the case. And yeah, this is just a quick video, quick first impressions and unboxing, showing the phone, my thoughts on it and stuff like that. Leave your comments in the comment section down below. Let me know what you think. Do you like it? Are you getting one? Are you deciding between this phone or the Pixel? Leave all the good stuff in the comment section down below. Stay tuned for more videos, because more videos are going to be uploaded throughout the week. And yeah, thanks for watching. Peace.